Tim, in many parts of the world, water consumption is going to be the single biggest issue or challenge that will face golf course developers and indeed golf course designers. How do you design a golf course to reduce water consumption?
Yes, indeed. I mean, water is a very valuable resource that the earth has, and we take our role and responsibility in conserving water very seriously. When we design a golf course, and many of the courses we're designing at the moment are in the desert and in water-hungry environments, we take a very close study of the site. But as we're developing the design, we make sure that we only use the sporting turf grass where the general play is. We don't find it a need to irrigate sports turf, way at the back of the tee where you'll never see a golf ball. It might look pretty, or it might look. Well, actually, I don't think it does look pretty, because I think it looks totally false. So we try and minimise that playing area as much as possible. But then going on from that, the irrigation design is very important. That we actually design the turfed area to fit in with the irrigation design as well. So we've got maximum efficiency in the way that irrigation system is working. Another factor that we use is the landscape. We get heavily involved with the landscape design of all of our golf courses, and we always use indigenous plants. Plants that have grown up in that area and are proven to be successfully living in that environment, and therefore we use less water. Another sort of key factor is the design and development of lakes. Evaporation is a big water consumption unit in those desert areas. So we try and keep the lake surface area a little bit smaller and have the lakes deeper. So we get the volume of lake water that we need for the storage, but reduce the surface area.
How much of a part does technology play in this?
Oh, it's fantastic. The irrigation systems now are like Formula One, cars. They're so finely tuned to deliver the exact amount of water required. Also, turf grass development has come a long way. There are varieties of turf grass now that use less water, but in addition they can use water of lesser quality that would be redundant for other uses.
Such as?
Paspalum grass has been a fantastic development in the grass world, and that can take water that's quite salty and practically can be a byproduct of human consumption and not suitable for human usage. So it's a good way of utilising that brackish water sometimes.
How much of a difference can these measures make?
Oh, they'll make a massive difference. I mean, our projects that we work on, we try and keep the area of turf as low as possible. I mean, we could be talking about 20 or 30% less water usage because of these intelligent considerations that we're making during the design process.
And what are the consequences of not implementing sustainable solutions for water?
Well, the whole word sustainability is about long-term growth and long-term life, so to speak. What we are designing is a living organism. So when it opens, we're not designing it to stop breathing. We want it to keep breathing forever and ever and ever. So, if we make sure that we're sensible in the resources that we're using, which is the earth, which is water, we're pretty confident that it will keep perpetuating on itself and have a healthy life.